What's up, motherfuckers? It's me, Raheem here. Today we're gonna be playing. We play. Hey, this reminds me of Duck Hunt. We're playing this one called Duck Hunt. Guys, subscribe if you like Duck Hunt. Subscribe if you like Duck Hunt, and like the video if you played Duck Hunt before. But if you did not play Duck Hunt before, you can just comment. I didn't play Duck Hunt. Comment. I didn't play Duck Hunt in the comments section below in this video. Level 2. You see how it makes a sound? No, I should not shoot myself. Come on. Come on. Target. Fuck you, bitch ass, bitch ass, bitch ass. The targets suck a lot of cocks. And I'm not talking about a chicken cock. I am not talking about a chicken cock. I am definitely not talking about a chicken cock. The targets don't suck chicken cock. Okay. Can you even, like, cut the grass or anything? But that doesn't do anything to the grass. It's just normal grass. Like, the fuck? Take this, bitch. Bitch ass. Fuck yeah, bitch ass. Die, bitch ass, die. Die. Okay, don't shoot a frisbee in real life. Because that's illegal. Yeah. Ducks. There's no dog. Well, good, because in Duck Hunt, you can shoot the dog. No, don't shoot the dog in Duck Hunt. That will make you, like, a killer. Is that a Coca-Cola can? Okay. Die, Coca-Cola can, bitch ass, bitch ass. Okay, bitch ass. Bitch ass, bitch ass. Bitch ass. Yeah, bitch ass. Oh, what? Come on. Come on, bitch ass. We gotta keep going, bitch ass. Bitch ass, bitch ass. Bitch ass, bitch ass, bitch ass. Run over, bitch ass. Run over, bitch ass. No, we're not shooting H. Aliens. Die, aliens. Give back H. H is our friend. You can't take away him. H, no. H, we're gonna save you, H. Give back H. Sorry, Dex, but we're not shooting you today. How many are there? What the fuck, man? We saved the H. H. We saved H, bitch ass. What? H. Alright, nice one. Okay, let's go back, bitch ass. Also, subscribe if you want me to do this one.